In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme in Gemini. If you prefer a light or dark look while you work, the Gemini web experience can match your Windows theme. The key idea is simple. Gemini follows your system's appearance, so you'll make the change in Windows, then refresh Gemini to see it take effect. First, open your browser and head to gemini.google.com. Any modern browser works fine. Keep the tab open so you can instantly see the change after you update your Windows theme. You don't need to click around inside Gemini for a separate toggle. The site listens to your system preference. Now, let's switch your Windows theme. Open the Windows Settings app. An easy shortcut is pressing the Windows key plus the letter I. In Settings, select Personalization, then choose Colors. Here you'll see the appearance options. Depending on your Windows version, this may appear as Choose Your Mode or App Mode. Select either Light or Dark. Light gives you a bright background that's helpful in well-lit rooms or for print-like readability. Dark offers a dimmer interface that many people find easier on the eyes, especially at night or in lower light. Pick the one that best fits your environment and comfort. You can leave other color settings as they are. You don't need to adjust accent colors for this to work. With your theme set, go back to the Gemini tab in your browser. Refresh the page so the site can detect your new preference. You can click the refresh icon, press F5, or use Ctrl+R. After the page reloads, Gemini's appearance should update to match your Windows choice. If you switch to dark, you'll notice darker backgrounds and lighter text. If you chose light, you'll see a brighter interface. If the change doesn't appear right away, give it a second and refresh again. Sometimes a cached style or a slow connection can delay the update. Keeping the browser up to date also helps ensure sites correctly follow system themes. To recap, the process is straightforward. Open gemini.google.com so you can preview the change. Adjust your Windows theme by going to Settings, Personalization, and Colors, pick Light or Dark, then refresh Gemini to see the new look. That's all there is to it. By letting Gemini follow your system theme, you get a consistent visual experience across your apps and your browser, which can reduce eye strain and make your workspace feel more cohesive. Enjoy your new theme and customize it anytime your lighting or preference changes.